Hey, hello, my name is Beggar and welcome to another Trustbar Talk episode. Today we're going to be talking Trustbar, how to earn Trustbar tokens, showing a farming example, and talking about the Trustbar tokenomics and the utility of the Trustbar token. The Trustbar token is free, so you just bring your crypto and you will start earning the Trustbar token. So let's have a look at how you would start earning the Trustbar token. So the first thing you need is a wallet like MetaMask that is already connected to the Polygon network. As you can see, we're on Polygon, and you just basically unlock your wallet, which will prompt your MetaMask to connect. Mine has been connected before, so it connects. As you can see, this is our pool balances, and this is my balance that I've deposited into the pool already. Basically, when you get to Trustbar, you need some USD, you need some ETH or wrapped ETH, and you need some wrapped Bitcoin. Once you have those, you would click deposit, and then you would select what percentage of each you would like to deposit based on the various weights. The slider will calculate how much USD, ETH, and WBTC is required. Then you would click confirm, and it would deposit into the Trustbar pool. The Trustbar pool itself is a balancer backend pool, so your assets are very safe. And is 40% Bitcoin, 40% Ethereum, and 20% USDC. So as you can see, once you've deposited, you get back some pool tokens, and then you can go and farm those on this link where you click farms, and when you click select, you will be able to deposit those, and this counter starts counting once you've earned Trustbar tokens. If you go and say stake, as you can see, I haven't deposited all. I can just do 0.1 so that you can see. And when you say confirm, MetaMask will pop up asking you to confirm this transaction. Drag that. Network seems to be a bit slow. Let me just increase the gas a little bit here so that this goes quickly. Okay, and then you say confirm. Okay, so that's been submitted to the blockchain. If I open my MetaMask, I should have a pending transaction. There you go. So when someone deposits into the pool, the tokens will be harvested for everyone else who's been there, and that's why my counter has now reset. As for the Trustbar tokenomics, we're gonna be minting 1 million token per month, but there's a bonus period currently running for the first 3 months, which currently ends around the first week of December, and we're gonna be minting 5 times per month. So the first 3 months we're gonna mint 15 million tokens, and then after that we're gonna mint 1 million tokens per month for another 21 months. So we'll end up with around 30 to 40 million Trustbar tokens in circulation at that time. So start farming today. If you've got Bitcoin, Ethereum lying around, visit Trustbar and start earning Trustbar tokens. If you click here, you can see how much Trustbar tokens you've earned, and you will start accumulating those. The token utility will come in the next phase. We'll be creating some pools which will actually require the Trustbar token for you in order to be able to deposit into those pools. So the better those pools perform, the more demand for the token will be. If anything is not clear, please drop a question in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Follow us on Twitter, and deposit into the Trustbar pool and start earning Trustbar token. In the next 2 weeks, we'll be releasing the trade functionality, including also a pool where you can then buy and sell the Trustbar token itself. The Trustbar token is free, and the only way to get it for free is to earn it by staking on the Trustbar pool or you can wait and buy it if you feel lucky. Thanks for tuning in. See you again next time. Cheers.